A national study show 55% of female victims died at the hands of their spouse or their intimate partner.
Hey, babe.
What are you doing cooking, huh? Don't you know my food should be done by now? It's 6:30.
Well, hello to you too. So, how was the job search today?
Ain't nobody hiring out there right now.
Financial stress has increased domestic violence cases 28%.
I was just trying to help.
Oh, you trying to help me? Then you cook my food and have it on the table at 6:30. That's how you can help me.
Give it, but no, let me finish.
Don't you ever put your hands on me, girl. I'll knock your teeth in the back of your throat. You understand me? You put salt in my food, right?
I just put a little bit.
Didn't I tell you not to put salt in my food? Didn't I tell you that?
Domestic violence homicides are up 39%.
See, I got it. I know what it is. See, you think because you got a job and I don't have a job, I'm less than a man.
What? What are you talking about? No,
I'm talking about you ain't no better than me. You hear me? You're not better than me. Clean it up.
If you or someone you know is a victim of domestic violence, please call 1-800-799-SAFE. That's 1-800-799-7233. No names, no judging, only help.